These are the Crocs Classics. I want to discuss the specific design features of these shoes and compare the features of these shoes to other Crocs so you can decide if these are best for you. The Crocs Classic is designed mainly to be a casual shoe. Let's start here on the bottom. The Crocs Classic has the standard Crocs tread pattern, designed again just for everyday casual wear. But Crocs does offer types of clogs. For example, the Crocs Bistro, which I'm showing on the screen here, that has this certified slip-resistant outsole that certain workplaces may require. Also, some clogs like the Crocs All-Terrain, which I'm showing on the screen here, have a more enhanced tread pattern than the Crocs Classics. Try to put those two side by side here with the Crocs Classic on the left. Overall, for casual wear, the Crocs Classic outsole is perfectly fine, but for certain jobs or certain terrains, other Crocs shoes might make more sense. Now to the strap. The Crocs Classic has the standard swivel strap that most people think of when they think of Crocs shoes, but Crocs does offer types of clogs that come with an adjustable heel strap. The benefit of the adjustable strap is it obviously allows you to tighten the strap for a more secure fit. For example, the Crocs All-Terrain, which I try to show on the screen here, has this adjustable strap that the Crocs Classic does not. The Crocs Classic does have the ventilation holes, which allows air to circulate and allows water and debris to escape the shoe. Crocs does offer many other types of clogs, like the Crocs Bistro on the screen here, which has a closed design, which some workplaces may require. Now to the heel. The Crocs Classic does have the open heel slip-on design. Although most all of Crocs clogs have this slip-on design, Crocs does offer some clogs that have a taller heel cup area. That's because some workplaces may require better heel side protection. Try to show one on the screen here. This is the Crocs Specialist 2. It has that taller heel cup. And then I try to show them side by side here. The Crocs Classics on the left and the Crocs Specialist 2 is on the right. As you can see, it has that taller heel cup area. Also, Crocs does offer some clogs that have a completely closed heel design. For example, on the screen here, it's the Crocs On the Clock shoe that has that completely closed heel. Now to the material. Crocs Classics are made with Crocs' innovative Croslite material, which is designed to be very lightweight, soft, and flexible. Almost has like a foam-like feel to it. Try to show on the screen here just how flexible these shoes are. And I try to show on the screen here how easy it is to compress this material. It's just very soft. Then on the screen here, I try to show how these shoes react on my foot. Again, just a very flexible, comfortable, and easy to wear design. Now to the footbed area of the shoe. The Crocs Classic has the standard Crocs footbed, which is made with that Croslite material. It just has that soft foam-like feel to it. However, Crocs does offer certain types of clogs that have even more cushioning in the footbed. These clogs use what Crocs calls a light ride insole. For example, on the screen here is the Crocs Bistro Pro Light Ride. As you can see, it has this additional soft light ride insole that the Crocs Classic does not have. If you spend long days on your feet, this extra insole cushioning might be a good idea. Now, regarding sizing, in my experience, the Crocs Classics fit true to size regarding length. Again, on the screen here, I try to show how these Crocs react to my foot. As you can see, there's no heel slippage and my toes don't feel crowded, so normal sizing worked best for me. However, it is important to remember that Crocs are designed to have a wider, roomier design in the toe box area. Tried to show that on the screen here by comparing the shape of these Crocs Classic shoes to the shape of a standard slip-on shoe. As you can see, the toe box has just a much wider design. Again, I personally order my normal sizing with Crocs. Just remember that Crocs has that roomier design than other types of slip-on shoes. The Crocs Classic, as the name would suggest, has that classic Crocs design on all sides of the clog. But there are other types of Crocs clogs that have a very similar design, but with slight design tweaks which add a unique twist to the original look. For example, the Crocs Baya clogs has an almost identical design to the Crocs Classic, except for on the side of the clog, the word Crocs is spelled in ventilation. Tried to show that here on the screen. Then there's also the Crocs Croc Band clog, which is very similar to the Crocs Classic, but it has this thick midsole stripe for like a sportier look. Try to show that here on the screen. Overall, the Crocs Classic is a great casual shoe. It's easy to slip on and off. And because it is made using that Crocs Croslite material, it just has a very soft, foam-like cushioning that is very comfortable to wear. Just remember though, for certain situations, there may be other Crocs clogs that make more sense.